Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to cook a buttercup squash. And it'll be a very basic recipe, but this is one I use quite a lot. And it's pretty quick too to make. First thing we're going to do is wash it. Okay, so here's how I wash mine. I get a little scrubby and then put a little soap on there and a little water. And then, of course, when you're doing it with two hands, it's easier to flip over. But you're going to wash it real well. Some people eat the skins, but I don't recommend it. And then make sure that you rinse it real well. Like this. You want to get all the soap off. Okay, now your next step is to get yourself a cutting board and you're going to cut it. And I cut mine this way, starting right about here. I'll have to come back once I get it cut, but I'll cut it this way and that way, and then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, now you should have two halves like that. See? It's together, cut it in half. Now what you're going to do is you're going to scrape out all these seeds on both sides, and you can throw them away. Some people take them out, the seeds out and bake them and eat them, but they're really crispy. Tried it once, I didn't like it. Or you can also take them and try to throw them in your garden and see if you can get some more kabochas. I'm sorry, buttercup. Kabochas and buttercup are so similar. Okay, now you'll see I scraped out the insides. Now what I like to do is take them over here and rinse them out again. I like to rinse them out and get anything out that might have been inside there. Okay, then you can flip them upside down, and then you're going to want to cut them again. Cut them this way. Just like that. Give this one a cut. There we go. And now with these, you're going to get yourself a pan. A glass baking dish, I find it works the best. Let's see what size this got. We have this is a regular 9x13 Pyrex. I bought mine at Walmart. You can get these anywhere. Okay. Then you're going to lay your kabochas in there like this, skin up. Just like that. Oh, cut this thing off too. You don't need that on there, because you don't eat that anyhow. Okay, next I got about 2 cups of water here. Basically what you want to do is get it about halfway up. So I'll do 2 more cups of water. Okay, here's the second 2 cups of water. So that's 4 cups total. Okay, see, you want to go about halfway with the water, and then you're going to cover this. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't forget to firstly cover your pan with parchment paper before putting your foil on. Okay, now you're just going to want to go ahead and put it in your oven, and you're going to want to bake it, and I will time it and come back and tell you how long to bake it for. Okay guys, now we're back. So at 425, it was in the oven for 60 minutes total. And here's what it looks like, the squash. You see, the skin's already coming right off. See what happens? Very nicely done. I'll be back when it's plated up. Okay guys, here it is all plated up. I opened it up and just put some cuts in there and put a little garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, and it's all ready to eat. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. Hopefully you will try this out. Leave a comment. Thank you.